Thinking about diving into the world of Linux? Awesome choice. But which Linux do you pick? There are so many options. Ubuntu, Mint, Arch, Fedora, Debian. The ideal choice depends on your needs and preferences. Let's break down some popular Linux distributions and find your perfect match. Let's talk about ease of use. If you're coming from Windows or macOS, you want something familiar. No cryptic commands, just connect to Wi-Fi easily. You want a smooth install, friendly interface, and essential software. This is where Ubuntu and Linux Mint shine. They make Linux accessible to everyone. Ubuntu's installer is straightforward. The GNOME desktop is modern and intuitive. Finding help and compatible software is easy. Ubuntu has long-term support versions. Linux Mint is great for Windows switchers. The Cinnamon desktop feels like older Windows. It has a familiar start menu and taskbar. Mint pre-installs useful multimedia codecs. Both are great for a quick, easy setup. They focus on a complete desktop experience. Get up and running without a steep learning curve. Both are fantastic choices. Maybe It Just Works is too boring for you. You like to tinker, tear things apart, and rebuild them. Welcome to highly customizable distros like Arch Linux. Arch is not for the faint of heart. It's a rolling release distro, always on the bleeding edge. The installation process is legendary. No graphical installer, just a command line interface. The reward? A lean, fast system with no bloatware, ultimate control, and a deep learning experience. No matter how tech-savvy you are, there will come a time when you run into a problem. This is where the community support behind a Linux distribution becomes critical. Ubuntu's massive, active community offers a huge pool of collective knowledge. If you have a question, chances are someone has asked it before and gotten an answer. The official Ubuntu forums and Ask Ubuntu are great starting points. Beyond these, you'll find blogs, YouTube tutorials, Reddit communities, and Discord servers. This widespread support network is invaluable, especially for beginners. Chapter 4. Set it and forget it. When rock-solid stability is non-negotiable. Stability is key. You need an OS that runs reliably without crashes. Debian, Red Hat, Alma Linux, and Rocky Linux are your go-tos. They prioritize stability and security, perfect for servers and critical workstations. Choose these for rock-solid dependability. Got a niche? There's probably a Linux for that. Linux's open-source nature allows for specialized distributions tailored to specific tasks. For cybersecurity, there's Kali Linux, packed with security tools. Developers often choose Fedora for its up-to-date software and container support. Whatever your niche, there's likely a Linux distro for you. Chapter 6. The million-dollar question. So, which Linux is yours? We've covered easy-to-use distros for beginners, customizable ones for tinkerers, and rock-solid options for stability. So, how do you pick the best fit for you? Consider your technical skill level, intended use, and hardware. For beginners, try Ubuntu or Mint. For experts, Arch or Gen 2. Lightweight distros like Ubuntu or Puppy Linux are great for older hardware. Finally, choose a desktop environment that suits your style. Your Linux adventure awaits. Go forth and explore. The Linux world is all about choice and flexibility. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different distros live from a USB stick. It's a journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and happy distro hopping.